Hi Brighton. I'd just like to say today's overall performance was absolutely great. We did everything so great. We got to the final third great. The only disappointing outcome was the lack of being clinical, being accurate. I think if you create something like 16, whatever chances it was, I didn't see the final stat, and you have 5 on 6 on target, that's never too great. Say if we had 17, I expect us to get 9 or 10 on target. I expect us to score 4 goals. No more, but 4, I'd say, at max. It's not great though, that goal we conceded, because basically, I have to say, it was probably a bit lazy and a bit of lack of what's needed to keep that out, because we barely had to defend anything as a so I mean, we're not near Liverpool, Man City, Chelsea, but the games we dominate, we have to look at them and see what could we do to be slightly better at what we do, part of how our style is. And if you see like how also like Bayern Munich play, but I believe in how we play. We just need to be clinical, and it got to a point in the second half. It reminded me of last season. I know we're better than that. We're a lot better than that, and that's what disappointed me. That we've done so well this season, and we did so well this game. It was just at 1-0 down at that time. I was like thinking, oh no, come on now. But we got the draw. Anderson done off Haaland had to poach, and then we can buy him. He's a good poacher, just needs to be in the right goal, in the right football shirt, right? For the right club. Cheers, thanks a lot.